How to convert Outlook email into PDF. You can convert an Outlook email into a PDF easily, whether you are on Windows, PC, Mac, or mobile. And here is how to do it step by step. So the process is same for every device. All you have to do is open the Outlook and find the email you want to print. So for basically I want to print this email. All you have to do is tap on the three dot icon right next to the email, not the upwards. All you have to do is tap on the three dot icon, the more actions, the bottom one, not this one, the bottom one, and you will get to see the print option available from the drop down menu. Once you tap on the print, tap on the save button available there and make sure that you have the save as PDF option switched. Now confirm it. Now go back to the home screen and look for the saved PDF you just saved on a device and tap on it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.